Excel isn't dead, but small businesses are quietly avoiding it. Trends are changing, and once you start running your business from Google Sheets on your phone, it sucks you in. If you are considering Excel and Google Sheets, you stumbled into the right video. Here are 7 reasons small businesses like mine are ghosting Excel for Google Sheets. Let's get started. Why are small businesses choosing tools that work better on Android and mobile phones? Small businesses are quietly moving away from Excel because more people globally use Android phones, and Google Sheets was built for that reality. When you open Google Sheets using mobile phone, you're using the same file system that freelancers, contractors, and overseas team members already rely on daily. There's no worrying about file versions, downloads, or attachments. Everyone can open, edit, and comment instantly from their phone, no matter where they are, like you see me doing here. For a small business working with virtual assistants or international freelancers, Google Sheets on mobile just works without friction. Said another way, they know Google Sheets and Workspace better than you do. Later on, we'll discuss what is happening in schools across the United States, causing people to ghost Excel. But first, let's answer the next question while looking at this expense budget template. Why do smaller customers feel more comfortable using Google Sheets on their phones? Smaller customers already live inside Google's ecosystem, especially on mobile. They're used to Gmail, Google Docs, and Google Drive in their personal life. So opening a Google Sheet on their iPhone feels similar, not intimidating, and adding expenses to this sheet is second nature. Unlike Excel, which often feels like a desktop-only tool, Google Sheets was designed to be tapped, scrolled, and edited on a phone, as we see here. For small businesses, that means fewer questions, fewer training issues, and customers who can actually open and understand the file you send them right from their phone. But they're busy, just like you, running all aspects of their business, which means they actually appreciate you for communicating in their way on their comfortable platform and are happy to respond anytime and anywhere using Google Sheets Mobile. Coming up next, we'll talk about the most popular email service in the world. But first, the next question takes us from this budget to collecting actual expense data using your phone. How do small businesses collect data directly into a Google Sheet without extra tools? One of the biggest reasons small businesses move to Google Sheets is how easy it is to collect data using Google Forms. Right now, I'm showing you how to make a Google form using my mobile phone. Inside Google Workspace, Forms connects natively to Google Sheets, meaning every response automatically lands in a spreadsheet. No imports, no copy-paste, no setup headaches. The best part is you can build a form entirely on your phone. From an iPhone, you can create questions, share a link, and start collecting responses in minutes. Whether it's customer inquiries, expense submissions like we are doing here, lead forms, or internal checklists, Google Forms turns data collection into something simple, mobile, and reliable. This is where Google Sheets stops being just a spreadsheet and starts becoming a real business system. Before we continue with why Excel is ghosted by small businesses like yours, are you getting a feel for Google Sheets? Subscribe today. I've used Excel for 30 years, but we're so confident in Google Sheets for your business that it's all we talk about. Many people use Google Sheets because it's free, but we'll talk about the paid version in a minute after we discuss Gmail. So do you know anyone without a Gmail account? No? Then you should be asking, why does having a Gmail account make collaboration easier with Google Sheets? Almost everyone already has a Gmail account, and that single fact removes a massive collaboration barrier. On an iPhone, sharing a Google Sheet like this planning calendar is as simple as tapping, share, and entering an email. No logins to create, no software to install, and no files to download. Customers can view or edit instantly in the Google Sheets app. If you are working on a project together, adding task deadlines to a calendar like this is a simple upgrade to support the conversation at another level. Compared to Excel files being emailed back and forth, Google Sheets keeps everything live, synced, and accessible from your phone at all times. AI is all we talk about these days, and we'll get to how AI integrates with Google Sheets. But did you know there is a paid version of Google Sheets? That leads us to our next question. Why is the move from free Google Sheets to Google Workspace so easy for small businesses? One of the biggest reasons small businesses ghost Excel is how painless Google's upgrade path is. You can start completely free using Google Sheets on your iPhone, then upgrade to Google Workspace only when your business actually needs it. The transition feels invisible. Same app, same files, same interface. just more storage, better sharing controls, and professional features, including confidentiality. There's no scary migration, no retraining, and no software reinstall. And if you're curious and ready for the next step, Google offers a 14-day free trial with my link in the comments. Before we talk about the school initiative disrupting the software industry and spreadsheet software in particular, maybe the best upgrade included with Google Workspace comes in the next question. How is Gemini AI changing how small businesses use Google Sheets on mobile? Gemini AI is quietly becoming a huge advantage for Google Sheets users, especially on mobile. With the Google Sheets app on iPhone, AI can summarize data, suggest formulas, and explain numbers without you typing complex spreadsheet logic, as I share here at Small Business COO. But for small business owners who don't want to wrestle with formulas on a tiny screen, this is a game changer. Instead of feeling limited on mobile, Google Sheets actually becomes more powerful when AI helps bridge the skill gap. Did you know you can ask Gemini a question like I'm doing here, and then copy and paste the formula into Google Sheets? Problem solved. But to get the full version of Gemini AI, you need the Google Workspace account mentioned previously. So before we get to the next question, we'd love to hear from you. Do you use Excel or Google Sheets? Join the conversation today and let us know your pick and the biggest reason why you might switch to Google Sheets or switched. Why does the education gap favor Google Sheets over Excel today? Today's users, especially in the United States, grew up using Chromebooks. Google Docs, and Google Sheets in school, not Excel. That means new hires, freelancers, and younger business owners already know how Google Sheets works, especially on mobile devices. When they open Google Sheets on an iPhone, it feels natural and comfortable, like an old friend. Small businesses are adapting to the tools people already know, rather than forcing everyone into legacy software designed for desktops decades ago. If you want to keep up with your team and customers, Google is the most convenient, barrier-free communication tool. To ghost Excel and continue learning Google Sheets with us, watch this video next. And if you're still here, please like this video, but more importantly, share this with a friend who is hesitant to give Google Sheets a try. And the next time you work on Sheets together, you might be doing it in Google Workspace and Google Sheets.